Hey, what?
Boy, I started on the bottom, made my way to the top. Boy, I'm gon' keep winning. No, I cannot stop.
What's up? Hey, it's your boy Zaytona. Z-A-T-O-N. Ain't no
Back with a video. Got my
cuz with me, man. You already
know
what I'm about to do, man. You see the title, you see the thumbnail, man. This is about to be lit. Guys, I'm doing a 5,000 subscriber prize giveaway, man. I'm picking 2 winners, man. So be ready, y'all. Be active, man. You ready? Stay tuned, y'all. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Yay. Alright, y'all. You already know. So, basically, I'm gonna teach you a little beginner choreography. You feel me? So we'll play some music. We're gonna pick a song instrumental right now because I don't want to get copyright. Hopefully I don't get no copyright from instrumental. So basically what we're gonna do, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Alright. You wanna try that? You ready? You ugly. Ready? Wait. So what's this? Right, left, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, ready, go. He got it, boom. And then go, one more. This one, yeah. So that, we're gonna put the music on that, all right, y'all? This is gonna be a long day. You gonna get your little vibe on? Not yet. Your little vibe. Alright, ready? Hey. It's gonna be like, again, right, left, right, and then it's gonna go left, right. So right, left, right, left, right, and don't finish it. Let's try that because we got some left. Let's get it. This is where you're gonna finish. Boom. That's it. Boom. Just basically just turning. So boom, 4 times.
So
boom,
that way.
Boom. Yeah, 4 times. Yeah.
I can't do no.
You can, bro. It's just regular walk.
When I was younger, I couldn't.
You could just do this. You can do this. Boom. Yeah, that's it right there. 2, 3, 4.
What?
You ugly. Boom. There you go. So we're gonna start that over, y'all. Start over from the beginning. Hey. Ready, bro. Right here. I'm gonna add all this. This is all the way on that. Hey. Right. Do a full. This one you gonna have. Stop. Boom. I couldn't hit that boy. Yo, we just got done with the little rest of the choreography. So, man, smash that like button, subscribe to that bell notification on, man. Let's get to it. Hey. Hey. Hey! What? Hey, what y'all think of our little choreography? You feel me? We try. You know, we want to do this for y'all. And he want to do a little dance, and I want to dance, so we want to get our energy out. Pretty cool. It was fun. Cool. So, we want to keep back to dancing, and we're going to catch y'all a little bit. Hey. Peace. I did it though.
You did it right.
Uh-uh.
You did it right, but I forgot how we do